Good morning. This is the second day of our trip. So we're here at the Best Western Pioneer Inn, and we're gonna be going to do some driving today. Maybe at the top of the mountain and see some other parks. And you can see let's get a better view of it during the daytime. There's the harbor, behind the harbor. There's a park right across here. This is the veranda of the hotel. Okay, so we'll be going on our way, getting a little bit of breakfast first, and then we're off. Okay, here we are. We're at the summit of Haleakala. The sun's breaking through the clouds, although the crater is clouded up, so you can't really see it. Over there you have some of the observatories over here. Yeah. This is about 10,000 feet high, so about 2 miles high. Oh, 10,023 feet. That's what it says up there. stop of the day before going back to the hotel. This is the Eel Valley or Eel Needle State Park, and up there you can just about see it. That's the needle. Now we're gonna have to pay $20 to park here, and $5, $10 for the parking, $5 for the entrance fee per person. So we were already there the last time we were here. We walked up a little bit to see, get a closer look at it. So I think we're just gonna go because we're kind of tired. The trip up Haleakala took a lot of time going back down. Okay, so just taking a few pictures here, and then we're gonna head back. This should do it for today's video. We're just back in the hotel, just cooling off a little bit at the pool here at the Best Western Pioneer Inn. So gonna go ahead and just take it easy for the rest of the day. Tomorrow we're gonna be going just on maybe go drive around the western half of the western part of the island there before taking our plane to Kona. And we'll be spending the rest of our time over on the big island of Hawaii. Alright. Alright, until next time. Bye-bye.